What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today we're going to be talking about an update to a Samsung application you probably use every day on your Galaxy phone, and that would be the clock application. Samsung's pushed out a clock update that has quite a few new features. I want to show you guys those features and let you know how you can get them today. So before we get started, I do want to thank my 4-year-old son Jonathan. We've got the Earth Dragon hanging out. He always gives us some cool toys, dinosaurs, dragons, other cool stuff to hang out. We really appreciate him. He's kind of big, so he's hanging back here in the back corner. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you check out our website, sammyguru.com. We cover the latest Samsung news, tutorials, updates, opinions, reviews, tips and tricks, etc. You can also get in our free mystery box program if you're going to buy Galaxy S25 Ultra here in the US. Put in your phone number or your email or both, and we will give you a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand when you order your Galaxy S25 device through our affiliate link at launch in January 2025. So if you're interested in that, that'll be in the pinned comment and the description. So let's go into the Galaxy Store, take a quick look here. The newest version of the clock rolled out September 2nd, 2024. It's 12.3.30.38. And I actually have an interesting note about this because that's the newest version listed on the Galaxy Store, but I actually have a newer version on my S24 Ultra. I don't know if that's because of the security patch level is newer here, and that could be why, but on the flip, I installed this version from the APK Mirror website, and I'll kind of show you guys the differences here. Anyway. So if you go up here, you've got integrated the alarm timer stopwatch widgets on the cover screen as clock widget, supported models only. That's only supported on the flip phones. So right here, I have my Z Flip 6 in the beautiful Pitaka case. We'll take a look at that one last so I can switch to the flip. Change the beep sound to repeat when an alarm or timer rings during a call. And this is one I can show you guys really easily by just calling myself. And improve the world clock map screen in dark mode just to add a little more contrast. So the interesting thing is, as I said, if you open this and you go into the S24 Ultra, go into the About settings. So for those of you who don't know, you just go into the three dots menu, settings, scroll down to About Clock. This says 12.4.00.8, which is actually newer than the version number listed in the Galaxy Store for the September 2nd update. So it does have the new features as far as I can tell, but there are a few differences between this one and what's on the flip. So let me actually open the flip really quickly and bring it in here so I can quickly show you guys something here. If you go into the clock application here, you'll see the version is 12.3.30.38. Now I got this from the APK Mirror website, so if you don't have it yet in the Galaxy Store, you could also download it from APK Mirror. I trust APK Mirror, but you should also be wary of downloading third-party APKs. I've never had any problems with them. Just keep in mind that it's always a good idea to be cognizant of that. But this is the newest version listed on the Galaxy Store. I'm not quite sure why this one is so much different, but it does work with the new features. So there is some minor differences though. So if you go into the clock app, the one about dark mode improvements, if you go to world clock on both, you'll see that the contrast has been improved, but you'll notice that over here, there's a couple of differences. One, over here, you don't have any longer the little zoom in button. That's on the S24 Ultra, but not over here. And then over here on the Z Flip, you have the weather and also the sunrise and sunset, and that is not over here by default on the S24 Ultra. So I'm not really sure. Again, this is a newer version number than what's listed in the Galaxy Store, but there's some minor differences. I actually prefer this information here, but also the zoom tool is missing here, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that. Obviously, we still have the location button on both sides. But anyway, that's one of the changes that's mentioned. The other change is when you have a alarm or you have like a timer go off during a call, you will see that the beep continues over and over again while you're in a call. So let me just do a timer. Let's do obviously 0 minutes, and let's do 15 seconds. I'll start it and then I'll call myself here. And up here, I'll go ahead and answer my own call. And then this timer will go off. I'll go ahead and mute both of these, but the timer will go off in the call. And you can see it continues to beep. So it doesn't stop beeping. Before this update, it would beep and then it would eventually stop. Here it will continue until you dismiss or restart, and either dismiss or snooze if it is an alarm. This is just a timer. So I can dismiss it and obviously then it goes away. So this is the new feature that they're talking about there. That's also available on the S series. It works on the flip phones the same way as well. Now for the last feature, Not available on the S series because this has to do with the cover widgets. Let's go ahead and go to the cover display here of my Z Flip. And let's go ahead and just put in my, sometimes I miss the power button on this because it's up a little higher than I expect. Let's go ahead and put that in. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the different widgets. Let's just scroll over. You guys can see all the widgets that I have here. And then let's actually long press here on the home screen so we can go ahead and edit this and add some additional widgets. So you can see here, you can edit all of your widgets. Here you can add. And if we go over here, you can find now the new clock widget, which is the one that they're talking about in this update. You can see all these different widgets that you have for routines, mode. Takes a little while. Here you go. Alarm, timer, stopwatch, all integrated as one widget. So this lets you access all of them just in one single widget on your Z Flip device. So you can set your alarms, you can set your timer, set your stopwatch. A very useful addition. So even though this is exclusive to the Flip devices, if you have a Flip 6, Flip 5, etc., you're definitely going to want this clock update for this particular feature. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. If you have the Galaxy S24 Ultra, let me know if you have that newer version. Again, even newer than what's listed on the Galaxy Store. Sorry, there we go. It's 12.4.00.8. Apparently has the features that are listed in the Galaxy Store update version, although some minor differences, perhaps some differences that are worse from what's on the Flip, as you guys saw. Sometimes Samsung does weird stuff with update. That's why it's worth digging into them. Sometimes it's a routine investigation and sometimes it's not. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon for future videos like this. Check out the website, sammyguru.com, and the mystery boxes. Appreciate you guys checking this out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.